Welcome to the Gurukul Prep Daily Podcast on 6th July. Daily Update 1 Important Day World Zoonosis Day, July 6. Every year on 6th July, World Zoonosis Day commemorates the first vaccine against zoonotic illnesses. Zoonosis is any sickness or infection transmitted from an animal to people. The infection's transmitted agents could include any bacterial, viral, or parasitic pathogen. Rabies, Ebola, swine flu, Zika, plague, dengue, and COVID-19 are just a few of the most frequent zoonotic diseases. The theme for World Zoonosis Day 2024 is Preventing the Spread of Zoonotic Diseases and revolves around managing threats for future infections. Daily Update 2 Important Day International Day of Cooperatives 2024, July 6. International Day of Cooperatives is annually celebrated on the first Saturday of July. International Day of Cooperatives 2024 is set to be observed on 6th July. This festival aims to promote cooperatives worldwide and create an environment that encourages their growth and profitability. Cooperatives are people-centered enterprises owned, governed, and managed by and for their members to meet their common economic, social, and cultural needs and ambitions. The 102nd International Cooperative Day theme is Cooperatives Build a Better Future for All. Daily Update 3 Banking Paytm launches Health Sathi plan at 35 rupee per month for merchant partners. Paytm, operated by 197 Communications, OCL, and headquartered in Noida, introduced Paytm Health Sathi, a health and income protection plan for its merchant partners. According to the fintech, the new plan would be offered through the Paytm for Business app. The business explained that the package starts at 35 rupees per month on a monthly subscription. The company has joined with Medibuddy to provide extra perks, including as discounts at renowned pharmacies and diagnostic procedures. Paytm is India's leading mobile payments and financial services distribution company. Daily Update 4 International Former spy chief Dick Schoof sworn in as new Dutch Prime Minister. The Netherlands has a new Prime Minister for the first time in 14 years, as Dutch King Willem-Alexander swore in the new government more than 7 months after elections dominated by a far-right, anti-Islam party. Dick Schoof, the former chief of the Dutch Intelligence Agency and Counter-Terrorism Office, signed the official royal decree at US 10 Bosch Palace, stating he declared and promised to carry out his obligations as Prime Minister. The 67-year-old was formally installed alongside 15 other ministers who make up the country's right-leaning coalition. Daily Update 5 Miscellaneous IGNOU launches MA program in Bhagavad Gita studies. In a breakthrough report, the IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University, introduced a master's course in the study of the holy book, Bhagavad Gita. According to the announcement, the course will begin in the 2024 to 2025 session. The course is slated to begin in July and will be available via open and remote learning. The course will last 2 to 4 years, and there are 500 seats available for admittance. It is a course carrying 80 credits and will be taught in Hindi. The name of the course is Masters in Bhagavad Gita Studies or MABS. Daily Update 6 National Centre reconstitutes 8 cabinet panels. The Union government reconfigured 8 cabinet committees, including the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, CCA, and the Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs, CCPA, to accommodate members of the NDA. In the first reconstitution of a major panel following the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, H.D. Kumaraswamy of the Janata Dal, Secular, and Panchayati Raj and Animal Husbandry Minister Lalan Singh of the Janata Dal, United, were added as members. The previous reconstitution was done on 8 December 2023. Daily Update 7 Schemes and Committees Madhya Pradesh, CM Mohan Yadav launches Lokpat mobile app for public. According to an official announcement, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav has unveiled the Lokpat mobile app, which would handle the public's road problems within 7 days. The Chief Minister introduced the mobile app at the Media Centre in Bhopal State Legislature building. The mobile app will allow the general public to report problems along the routes while also ensuring the officers' accountability. Madhya Pradesh State Electronic Development Corporation Limited has developed it. Daily Update 8, Science and Technology. Russia approves schedule for creation of Russian orbital station by 2033. Russia has authorized a timeline for establishing a Russian orbital station by 2033. Roscosmos, Russia's state space corporation, said in a statement that the schedule includes the design and construction of space modules, flight tests of a new generation manned spaceship, the development of launch vehicles and space infrastructure on Earth, and a timeline for the work of scientific institutes supporting the project. The head of Roscosmos, Yuri Borisov, has signed the construction schedule with the directors of 19 enterprises involved in creating the new station. Daily Update 9, State. UP Nirman Bill 2024, Uttar Pradesh Cabinet passes draft. The Uttar Pradesh government has passed a draft of the Uttar Pradesh Nodal Investment Region for Manufacturing, Construction, Area Bill, Nirman, 2024 in an effort to transform the state's economy into a $1 trillion one. This draft of the bill to establish a special investment region, SIR, was adopted at a cabinet meeting in Lok Bhavan chaired by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, according to a senior official. The official also said according to draft bill, at least 4 such SIRs will be created in UP, which will be in the 4 geographical areas of the state. Daily Update 10, Summit and Conference. Amit Shah to address conference to mark 102nd International Day of Cooperatives. Shri Amit Shah, Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation, will address the Sahkar Se Samriddhi conference in Gandhinagar, Gujarat on Saturday, 6 July 2024, to commemorate the 102nd International Day of Cooperatives. The Ministry of Cooperation is holding a Sahkar Se Samriddhi conference on this day to commemorate International Day of Cooperatives 2024. Incidentally, the International Cooperative Day 2024 will be observed on 6 July, which is also the Ministry of Cooperation's third Foundation Day. The theme for the 102nd International Cooperative Day is Cooperatives Build a Better Future for All.